Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F63 error. So what is this error and can we get rid of it? So unfortunately this is not one of the easier errors to get rid of. This is one of those electronic control errors. So so these errors can pop up all over in terms of the electronic controls. This specific one is the water path control unit. There's a fault in it. So you're probably going to need a technician to deal with these modern machines unless you're going to replace the whole control unit. But one thing I recommend doing whenever you get any kind of electronic error, before calling and paying for a technician to come out and fix everything, is just like a computer that can kind of like throw up weird errors or not act right or not function properly, is to just do a hard restart on the machine before you spend any money or waste any time calling a technician. And to do that, all you need to do is turn the machine off and disconnect it from power, either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit if it's hardwired, and leave it off for a full minute, and then turn it back on. Try to do a cycle and see if the error doesn't come back. And that might clear out this electronic error. And if it doesn't, yeah, you're probably going to need to call a technician. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.